Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. In the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 14th, 2023. We have a little bit more than 2 weeks to go for the end of this year. This bloody year. The war is still going. Two wars. Anyway, already solved 3 puzzles. 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. We have 1 puzzle left. The jigsaw Sudoku. Okay. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Well, this will be number 7622. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 13 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, this is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only 1 single box. This one. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here dual box, there dual box. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information, but let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box, this T shape, has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. But also in the T shape, this box has also the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle here? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here, another T shape, rotated to the left side. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Here, let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape, remember here that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Or that shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape. This one. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Here we have an L shape. Let me draw this here. It's mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Right. Then the following shape. Oh, no. We have another L shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, I believe the 6th one is the Z or the S construction. Yeah. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right, let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, how about here? 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. This box can be 2. Well, told you this box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a 1 and a 2 here, double 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area should be there. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left together with the 5. 1 and a 5. Alright. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes. Definitely 2. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So only 1 box left with the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 or a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that those two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If we place 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Need to wait here. I've marked those two boxes with 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2 and a 1. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 2 or a 1. Alright, these, well, yeah. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there, because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is also connected with that box, should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 and then more. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution, place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not so we should place 5 there. The only place level 5 in this area should be there. Alright. Then let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. And it's connected to that box. Should be also 2. Is also connected with this box. Should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 1. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. These two boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, maybe 70 minutes. Could be faster. Is this a 3 star? 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.